So why does the Brahmaputra swell to such an extent every year? Brahmaputra means son of Brahma in Sanskrit. While most rivers on the Indian subcontinent have female names, this river is known as India's only male river. The mighty river starts in the Mansarovar Lake region near Mount Kailash in Tibet and is known as Yarlung Tsangpo River there. Known as the upper stream, it flows for about 1,625 kilometers before entering India through Arunachal Pradesh. Later, it flows through Assam, covering a distance of about 916 kilometers in India, and then it enters Bangladesh, where it is called Jamuna. It merges with the Ganga River, which is known as the Padma in Bangladesh, and becomes the Meghna before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. With its vast network of rivers, Assam is prone to natural disasters like floods and soil erosion, which hurts the state's overall development. Almost every year, 3 to 4 waves of floods ravage the region. The average annual loss due to floods in Assam is estimated at 200 crore rupees or $23 million. Now, if you look at the course of the Brahmaputra, you can see the sudden turn the river takes before entering India. It cuts through a succession of narrow gorges as it turns southwest. The growing volume of water and silt flowing down through the Brahmaputra, originating in many of its tributaries from upstream, is blamed for the flood. And then there's this. China's mega dam over the Brahmaputra, worth $1.5 million, the Zangmu hydropower station. This dam has raised serious environmental concerns for India and Bangladesh. Analysts have warned that China's ambition to control water in Tibet can have devastating effects, be it shortage of water due to weakened flow or floods due to excess water that China releases. If more water is released from the structure during monsoons, future flash floods could become a more frequent sight for places downstream in India and Bangladesh.
On the Brahmaputra, it has built a series of mid-sized dams upstream, but now it's building a super dam just before the Brahmaputra enters India. Now, this super dam will be almost 3 times larger than the world's current largest dam, the Three Gorges Dam. And this super dam will have cascading effects on downstream communities in India and Bangladesh. This will have a bearing on the climate system, it will have a bearing on the stability of weather patterns, but also will affect rivers. It will damage rivers to very seriously damage the ecology, the ecosystems of rivers like the Brahmaputra.